Hello guys, my name is Sadhu Santosh and I welcome you guys to the brand new video of Fintech. So today is the 6th episode of our stock market series. And today in this video, I am not going to teach big things, but I am going to give the overall perspective of the stock market. So after seeing this video, you will get the clear picture of the stock market, the overall picture of the stock market, the overall outline of the stock market, and you will be all clear with the relationship between the stock market participants and all the things. And I will try to make the length of this video very short, and let's get into the class. In the previous video, we have already discussed about what is business and what is the need of the business to come into stock market. And we have discussed that through the process of IPO, a business can list into stock market. And we have discussed about what is stock market. Stock market is a place where buys and liabilities are done. After that, we have discussed about who is broker, who is investor, and what is the importance of a broker. And also we have discussed about the two ways of investing. And we have discussed about who is SEBI. Then we have discussed about the things you want to know before opening a broker's account. We have discussed about trading account and demat account and the savings account, right? So these are the things we have discussed already. You can see the videos. I will provide the link here. Okay. And within a short time, now I am going to explain the different type of investors. So first one is the domestic retail investors. Who is domestic retail investors? The investors like you and me are domestic retail investors. Who is NRIs and OCIs? These are the people of Indian origin but staying outside the country. So they can invest from there, right? So they are considered as NRIs and OCIs. Okay. Who is domestic institutions? Domestic institutions are big corporate entities in India. Example, LIC of India. And the fourth one is domestic AMCs. So what is AMC? AMC means asset management companies. And domestic AMCs means AMC asset management companies that lies in India. Example, SBI Mutual Fund and HDFC AMCs. And the last one is foreign institution investors. From the name we can get that they are not Indians, they are foreigners. Like they may be foreign institution investors, they may be foreign asset management companies or foreign individual investors, like that. Okay. So now you know the important participants in the investors group. Okay. And we want to discuss these two topics in a very short time. And the next one is depository and depository participants. They are the part of this stock market, and what they do, they are the persons who take care of your demat account. Actually, in the previous video, we have discussed about what is demat account. Demat account is a place where the shares you bought are stored. So actually, we are traders and investors, and we will not come direct contact with these depository and depository participants. So why I am saying about this is that you want to know this. It's just for an information. And at last, let me tell about National Security Clearing Corporation Limited and Indian Clearing Corporation Limited, NSCCL and ICCL. So these people are working with the stock market, and these people ensure the guaranteed settlement of your trades and transactions. So they ensure to finding a buying selling procedure and matching the credit debits of the buyer and seller, and they also ensure all the money transaction between the investors are going in a right way. Just know about the overall picture of these two participants. That is enough. Okay. Now you get the overall picture of the stock market. And the SEBI is the person who guides all the peoples in the stock market. So the stock market means this. This is stock market. So there is no complicated things. Just understand this. That is enough. So my ultimate goal of the course is to start from the beginning. That's why I have discussed all these small topics. Okay. You want to know this, you want to have an awareness of these topics. So that's it guys, I'm done for the day. Now you get the overall picture of the stock market. In further video, we learn more about the stock market, we learn detailed things about the stock market. The thing is very simple guys. If you have the mindset of learning, I will help you to learn these things. And that's all guys. If you're watching this video, share with your friends and families. And that's it. Adarsh here, signing off. Goodbye.